Hi guys, welcome back to Big Barn Harley-Davidson here in Des Moines. Chris Doyle wanted to invite you back down here to take a look at some of our new bikes for the season. Weather's beautiful guys, time to go ride. In this case, I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Harley-Davidson Limited that we've done a little bit of work to. In this case, what we've done is thrown a Native Bulldog front end kit on this, 180 millimeter front tire on this gang. Chrome lowers, we put a short windshield on here, tour pack removal, street glide seat, gives you a nice motorcycle, unique from everybody else that's out there, and that's the name of the game when it comes to Harley-Davidson. You'll notice I'm standing in front of our big American flag. I have one of our new stylized #1 t-shirts from our apparel department, part of our spring lineup. Reason being is that this year's summer ride book is called Operation Ride Freer. If you're not familiar with our summer ride book, what this does is give you an opportunity to travel around the state with some destinations, take a picture of you and your motorcycle in front of those destinations, turn everything in by October 1, great prizes that are available out there to you. Also available is our new calendar for the year. We are almost all the way through April. We do have an event coming up on the 27th for our bike blessing, and then our first annual 2nd Avenue Bike Night comes up on May 8th. Love to have you come down, take a test ride on one of these beautiful machines. Again, we're right off of 2nd Avenue in Des Moines, home of Warranty Forever. Give us a call, like, subscribe. Love to see you.